Hi, glad you dropped into Gagajoy's cooking today. Today we're going to make beef bourguignon, or in my neck of the woods, beef stew. Anyway, I've got this beef that we cut up into little squares, like this. And I'm going to braise them. We could have cut them up a little bit bigger pieces, but I sort of like them like this. You don't want to crowd into the skillet too much. You sort of want them to have their own space. And this is chuck. And I think most people just normally buy chuck anymore. It just seems the most reliable when it comes to beef stew and all. I'll put it here. There's something missing from this, and I'm going to go. I've done call my son to see what you think is missing from the beef stew. Something you want me to see, but with the beef bourgnon, it's not it. Well, we're taking the life cut out of the beef, and I'm going to put just a little bit of. It's still in the good kitchen. I'm going to put carrots in there. The celery. The onion. Just a little extra onion. We're just going to give them just a little bit of While they're cooking, I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. To the beef, we're going to add a whole bottle of red wine. Just pick the ones you like. I don't usually pick the wine, but my cousin started me doing this about 10 years ago, and we do it now because it is an awfully good flavor. And this one, mine is this one. Like I said, I don't know much about wine, but that we have enjoyed it like that. There we go. And we'll put, this is about 6 cloves of garlic. We'll put that in there. let's see. There, maybe, I think I need a little bit more water. Oh, that should be good. And I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of thyme in it. Now, this is going to cook, believe it or not, in an oven of 300 degrees for about 45 minutes. You'd think it would be higher, but they call for 300 degrees, 45 minutes. So, we'll see you back in 45 minutes. Well, I almost forgot to put this in, and I'm going to add it. How many know what a rutabaga is? Well, it is a root vegetable. It's not a turnip. It's not a potato. It has its own taste. And anytime I cook a roast, I always put a rutabaga in. This person will put 2. And it's just a family favorite. And I just put that in, and my son says, "Where's your rutabaga?" And so I thought, oh my gosh, I've had my rutabaga. These are actually a fall root vegetable, like potatoes and turnips. Parsnips. I'm not a big parsnip fan, but I am a rutabaga fan. And when they cook, they're orange. They have a real pretty color to them. Sometimes you'll see them in the supermarket, and they're huge, and they have a coating of wax on them. Now this one did too. See the wax? I guess it preserves them. I'm sure it's the only reason I could think of they put them on it. Okay. Well, now I'm going to add my rutabaga. Shock the pot. Of course, rutabagas aren't French, and this is supposed to be a French stew, but hey, the cultures can meet. Okay. Back to the oven. We've taken it out of the oven, and now we're going to check and see if we need a little bit of cornstarch in it to thicken it. I think we do. It just thickens the gravy on it. Now, and this works every time. It's a wonderful way to do this. You take 2 tablespoons of margarine, of butter, and add 3 tablespoons of flour, and just work it up till you see there's a paste like that. Now I'm going to add the paste to the liquid in here, and it just makes a good gravy, and it doesn't make, you know how sometimes you add flour and stuff, it makes just big pieces, but this doesn't. This just blends right in with the stew. Now, I've got to let it cook for about 10 minutes so that flour cooks. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to be sauteing the mushrooms. It's time to get the mushrooms in. Now I'm going to start sauteing the mushrooms to put in the stew when it's just about finished. Sometimes you can leave them whole. I don't know, the more I thought about it, the more I thought, nah, I'm going to cut them up. But some of them are big and some of them are little, so probably go better this way. Well, we added the mushrooms. And actually, I'm putting it up for tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm gonna make mashed potatoes. It's Sunday, and this will be my Sunday recipe. And I'm gonna put it over mashed potatoes and some noodles, maybe. So, we've had a good day. Be sure and like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.